Alright guys, I just fucking installed this whole PROCHARGER by myself and installed this fan. Do you think it's gonna put it in?
Here, grab it.
We're one step closer to turning this bitch on. Alright guys, well, we finally finished. It was a little difficulties on the way, but we got her done. It looks pretty nice.
Right?
Yeah. He's still gonna be slow, so I don't know why he's doing all this. So we finished, boys. We're literally fucking pulling the car with his truck because we don't want to wake up the neighbors. The things we do for our neighbors, man. I'm gonna pull this car real quick to the, go like over there real quick just to turn it on, because after all this work we want to fucking hear it. So once we turn it on, I will get back on the camera. My fucking camera actually died, so I'm recording on my phone right now. So I'll get back on it whenever we turn it on, or we attempt to turn it on. Moment of truth, man. See if we did this correctly.
Hard work pays off.
Oh shit. What do you think? What are you feeling, bro? Pop the hood first. Let's see. First, pop the hood. All right.
Yeah, I got the light.
Make sure everything's doesn't just fucking blow the fuck up.
Final check. Nothing's touching. Everything looks good. There's no coolant in there.
Gee, shit, there's no coolant. Should we put water?
Nah, that'll be alright.
Think so?
Yeah, I don't think, like, if we run it a lot, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man.
That's just the coolant that fell down. See if it says anything.
It's really quiet.
Yeah.
It's not like whistling.
Doesn't tell you anything?
I can check temperatures and shit.
put this.
Put on the grass.
You heard that?
It's getting hot. It's at 220. It's at 220 already.
God damn. That's because there's no
Coolant. There's no
coolant.
coolant in here.
Yeah. Put at least water in this shit.
Yeah.
How the fuck you take this shit off? You gotta put at least water in that shit, brother. It's nothing. You wanna go get a gallon of water at Wawa? Cold?
Let's ride a Wawa.
Alright guys, I'm a little scared. Oh my god. You can go a little more that way, yeah. Look, I'm about to. You can still go this way. You're good now. I think you're on. Yeah. You can still go this way. Come on, come on. Keep going, keep going. You're good. Wasn't that hard?
That shit was fun. That's my first time doing that shit.
That's right. I was getting a little scared, man. That bitch was revving up. I was about to fucking hit the fucking truck.
That shit is scary as fuck.
That shit ain't want to get on. Where the straps?
See, the strap's about that.
I thought you had some.
Nah.
I know, nigga. I know how to direct. It's not that fucking hard. I'm not that stupid. Show Edwin. We got this bitch on.